10 million years ago, the world was silent in a way we cannot imagine today. There were no cities, no houses, no fire, no tools made of metal, and no spoken language as we know it now. The earth was ruled by nature, and early human ancestors lived only by instinct. These early beings were not fully human. They were ape-like ancestors, walking sometimes on two legs and sometimes on all fours. Their bodies were covered with hair to protect them from cold nights and burning sun. They lived mainly in forests and open grasslands of Africa, where survival was a daily battle. Each morning began with danger. There was no shelter strong enough to stop predators. Lions, saber-toothed cats, giant birds, and snakes were always nearby. To survive, they stayed in small groups because being alone meant death. Food was their greatest challenge. They did not farm or hunt with weapons. They survived by gathering fruits, roots, nuts, leaves, insects, and sometimes small animals. Their teeth and strong jaws helped them chew hard plants and raw meat. Water decided life or death. Rivers, lakes, and rain were the only sources. During dry seasons, many died while searching for water. Migration became necessary, forcing them to follow animals and changing seasons. There was no fire to cook food or give warmth. Cold nights were brutal. They slept close together using body heat to survive. Caves and tree branches were their only protection. Communication was simple. There were no words, only sounds, gestures, and facial expressions. A loud scream meant danger. Soft sounds meant safety. This simple communication helped groups survive attacks. Children learned by watching. There were no schools. Young ones copied adults to find food, climb trees, and escape predators. Only the strongest and smartest survived to adulthood. Death was common. Injury meant infection. There was no medicine. A broken leg could mean the end. Life expectancy was very short, but every day lived was a victory. Over time, small changes began. Brains slowly grew larger. Hands became more skilled. Walking upright became easier. These tiny changes were the beginning of humanity. 10 million years ago was not a time of comfort. It was a time of endurance. Survival depended on cooperation, awareness, and adaptation. From these fragile beings came everything we are today. Our cities' technology and knowledge were born from their struggle. Their survival story is the foundation of human existence.